What's up, everyone? It's Ikra. You've heard it before. The dream of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and maybe even working from a beach somewhere. Freelancing, especially in tech, makes that dream more attainable than ever. And the best part? You don't need years of experience or a fancy degree to get started. In this video, we're diving into 5 practical steps to launch your tech freelancing career, even if you're starting from absolute zero. Stick around, because we're breaking down each step to make it crazy simple. Okay, first things first. Before diving into the world of freelancing, you need a solid foundation. We need to figure out what you're going to actually offer as a service. This is crucial because it sets the stage for everything else. Don't worry, this isn't about mastering some crazy coding language overnight. It's about finding something manageable and in demand. We're talking about beginner-friendly skills that are in high demand right now, skills that you can learn relatively quickly and start offering to clients. Think about it. Businesses are always looking for help with things like managing social media, handling data entry, or even setting up basic websites. These are tasks that are essential but time-consuming for them. These are your entry points. We're talking about skills like data entry, straightforward and always needed. It's a great way to get your foot in the door. Social media management is huge. Businesses live and die by their online presence. If you can help them maintain and grow that presence, you're invaluable. Basic website setup, even with just a platform like WordPress, is a goldmine. Many small businesses need a web presence, but don't have the skills to set it up themselves. Simple graphic design using tools like Canva can also be a lucrative skill. Many businesses need quick, professional-looking graphics for their marketing materials. And even virtual assistants, which is basically being a tech-savvy right hand, can be incredibly valuable. You help business owners manage their day-to-day tasks remotely. The key here is to pick something that genuinely interests you, even a little bit, because it'll make learning a whole lot easier. When you enjoy what you're doing, it doesn't feel like work, and you're more likely to stick with it. Now, let's talk about learning these skills. In today's digital age, the opportunities to learn new skills are virtually endless. Whether you're looking to advance your career, start a new hobby, or simply expand your knowledge, the internet has got you covered. And hold on to your hats, because this is the best part. You can learn the basics for free. Yes, you don't need to break the bank to get started on your learning journey. Yep, you heard that right. Forget about dropping hundreds or thousands on expensive courses right now. There are plenty of resources available that won't cost you a penny. Platforms like YouTube and Coursera are your new best friends. These platforms offer a wealth of knowledge on virtually any topic you can think of. Seriously, there are tons of free tutorials out there that will take you from zero to competent in a surprisingly short amount of time. You just need to know where to look and be willing to put in the effort. The key here is consistency. Setting aside a little time each day to focus on learning can lead to significant progress over time. Even just dedicating 1 to 2 hours a day can make a huge difference. It's all about making learning a part of your daily routine. Let's say you're interested in WordPress. This platform is incredibly powerful and versatile, perfect for building websites. Spend an hour each day watching tutorials, building practice websites, and getting comfortable with the platform. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can pick it up. Or maybe Excel is your thing. This tool is essential for data analysis and managing information. Dive into free courses on data analysis or spreadsheet mastery. There are countless tutorials that can help you become proficient in no time. The point is, with a little bit of focused effort each day, you can equip yourself with valuable skills without spending a dime. So what are you waiting for? Start your learning journey today and unlock your potential. Chapter 3. Building your portfolio. Show, don't just tell. Now, here's the thing about freelancing. Clients want to see what you can do. They want tangible proof of your skills and abilities, not just words on a resume or a list of qualifications. That's where your portfolio comes in. It's your chance to showcase your best work and make a lasting impression. Think of it like your highlight reel. Just like athletes have highlight reels to show their best plays, your portfolio should highlight your best projects. But what if you're thinking, Ikra, I haven't actually done any client work yet? No problem. Everyone starts somewhere, and you can still create an impressive portfolio. This is where you get creative. Use your imagination and skills to build sample projects that demonstrate your capabilities. Build a portfolio of sample projects that showcase your skills. These can be personal projects, school assignments, or even hypothetical scenarios. Let's say you're learning website design. Create a simple website for a fictional company complete with a homepage, About Us section, and contact form. This will show potential clients that you understand the basics of web design. Create a simple website for a fictional company, complete with a homepage, About Us section, and contact form. This will show potential clients that you understand the basics of web design. If social media is your jam, design a series of engaging posts for an imaginary brand. Think about the brand's voice, style, and target audience. The goal here isn't to impress with crazy complex projects. Instead, focus on clarity, creativity, and professionalism. It's about demonstrating that you understand the fundamentals and can deliver clean, professional-looking work. This is what clients are looking for. Remember, your portfolio is a work in progress. It's not set in stone and can evolve as you gain more experience and skills. As you learn and grow, you can keep adding to it and refining your showcase. This continuous improvement will reflect your dedication and growth as a freelancer. Chapter 4. Platforms Your Freelancing Launchpad. All right, you've got your skills, you've been putting in the work, and you've got a portfolio to back it up. Now it's time to find some clients. This is where freelance platforms come into play. Think of these platforms like the App Store for freelancers. You've got your big hitters like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. The key here is to set up your profile the right way. Highlight your skills clearly and concisely. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Focus on your niche. And when it comes to pricing, start competitively. Remember, you're building a reputation and client base right now. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can adjust your rates accordingly. But in the beginning, focus on delivering exceptional value and exceeding client expectations. Chapter 5. Networking, Your Secret Weapon. Now, this last step is crucial. In the world of freelancing, it's not just about what you know, it's about who you know. Networking might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by joining relevant LinkedIn groups, Facebook communities, or even Reddit threads where potential clients hang out. Engage in conversations, offer valuable insights, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Let people know about your services and what you bring to the table. Remember, every connection is a potential opportunity. A simple conversation can lead to a referral, a collaboration, or even your next big client. The more you network, the more you build your reputation and expand your reach. Outro, your freelancing journey starts now. So there you have it. 5 actionable steps to kickstart your tech freelancing journey with zero experience. Remember, the most important step is to just start. Pick one skill, dive into learning, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. The world of freelancing is yours to conquer. Now, I want to hear from you. What skill are you most excited to learn? Drop it in the comments below, and while you're at it, hit that like button and subscribe to FastTrack Skills for more daily tips to jumpstart your tech career. See you in the next one.